Hey, I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
And today we're going to talk about a kick-ass glove closeout that we have just in time for the holidays from our friends at
Racer Gloves USA.
Who is Racer Gloves USA?
Not me.
Actually, it is you.
Sure.
So earlier this year, we've been selling Racer Gloves here at SportbikeTrackGear.com for like over 11 years. Had a great experience with it.
Yep.
Customers love it. Great product. I've ridden in them. He's ridden in them previous to...
My first real set of gloves that I picked out were the Racer High Speeds, let's say, back in 2018.
Yeah, it's a great pair of gloves. U.S. distribution used to be handled by my friend Lee Block. Lee wanted to retire. Offered it to me. I was going to say no. And then I decided to myself, you know what it was time for you to do? Do your own thing.
Yeah.
So now, in Racer Gloves, I do have a small part of it. But without a doubt, God, this is weird to say. You're my boss there.
Yeah, he now does my laundry.
That's a lie. I would never do your laundry. And you know what you need to do when you get home?
Do my laundry.
Clean your fucking room.
Yeah, there's that.
Okay? I told you, we got to leave tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock.
I got you.
You should have already done your laundry, damn
I
it.
went to bed last night at 8:40. We're good. Okay.
I went to bed at 2.
Time to talk about some gloves.
Okay, so we have this kick-ass, we went in the weeds, this kick-ass glove sale.
Yeah.
In my estimation, this is one of the best street gloves I've ever had on my hands. These are the Racer Guide gloves. Full goat skin chassis, tons of protection, Knox scaphoid sliders, right palm sliders, a lot of protection with this glove. And see where it says maximum comfort right there?
Yeah. It's upside down.
You have to be able to read upside down. I recognize that. That is not bullshit. We have a small showroom here in Shelby Township where our warehouse is, which is the meat and potatoes of our business. And of course, we have these merchandised in there. And when people come in and try them on, what do?
Yeah, they usually just buy them. The most popular street glove that's, of course, not full gauntlet that I sell in the showroom is going to be the guide gloves that he's wearing right now. Because, of course, it has a lot of protection, but the biggest thing is a lot of people, they don't like to feel seams on the inside of the gloves, especially some people who have long fingernails. They can get caught underneath, and that really, it's just a turnoff for people. And these actually have a nice liner on the inside of the glove to where you barely feel any seams at all.
Yeah, you don't.
They're great.
They're amazing. So, retail price was
$121.99, and now they're discounted to $89.99.
unbelievable savings.
Unbelievable savings.
Bringing the value. When we found out about this closeout from Racer, he comes over with this grand plan. Yeah, Dad, because he's running this thing. I'm not doing it. I don't step in very often. I did this time. We're going to buy 100. I think I'm like, how many does he have? Oh, he's got over 500. What did I tell you?
He told me to buy them all, and I thought he was crazy.
Anytime you have the opportunity, you've already sold 100 in the last couple weeks. Anytime you have the opportunity to bring to your customer base, the people that support you, a great product, and at a reduced price, save them some money, you always swing the bat, you go for it. You go for it on fourth down, you bring them in, you send it.
Just like Dan Campbell.
Yeah, that's what you do. So, where can you buy these? Well, you can buy these at SportbikeTrackGear.com, or if you want to support the kid instead of the old guy,
RacerGlovesUSA.com. You can do that too, and also there are many other Racer Gloves dealers across the United States, so you can check them out too.
Get yours before they're gone.
Exactly.